What is going on, everybody? It's Tas here. Welcome back to another video. So we had another rocky day for Nvidia stock today. It went down almost 1.5% in the midst of a pretty rocky day for the stock market, where the Russell went down over 1%, the Nasdaq went up 0.2%, and we had the S&P and the Dow pretty much break even as the VIX went up over 1%. So we have to break down Nvidia, the charts, what I'm looking to do, and of course we'll break down the indexes later in the video. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and sign up to my email list down below for free if you guys want me to send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday morning. I actually sent the first email this morning, so if you guys want to sign up, drop your email and your first name using that link down below, and I promise no spam emails, no BS, just straight up charts and stocks. So again, sign up, and with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So Nvidia stock actually popped pretty nicely right out of the gate. We opened up at around, let's see, $113.50 roughly, and we got all the way up to over $116, which you'll see in a second here. That's actually a big level of now resistance, but it was support. And after that pop, which lasted about 15 minutes, we downtrended for the rest of the day. You guys can see here, if I pull up this intraday again, we can see after that pop, we hit 116.25. We went all the way down to 111. So essentially, we dropped down about 4 to 5% from that peak, right? And every single little rally we saw throughout the day ended up getting rejected. We got rejected at a higher low, and we ended up taking out the lows from the previous move, right? So you guys can see again, we ended up downtrending for the entire day. And if we pull up this 5-day, 5-minute, you'll notice, wait a second here. We see a triple top clear as day. Do you guys see this triple top right here? Let me show you. If I draw it out, we got 1, we got 2, and you guessed it, we have 3 right here. So we hit 116.50 roughly on the 25th, on the 26th, excuse me, being Thursday and Friday, and today the 29th being Monday. So we got hit there, triple top, and now we're dumping back under the moving averages. And let me actually get some water really quickly here, guys. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate you all for tuning in. And we can see now we're dumping, back down to the lows from Friday and from Thursday. If I pull up this channel tool out, or not even the channel tool, the trend line, we can see right here, this is a critical spot of support for Nvidia, right at about $111, $112. That's where we held all throughout today, Thursday, and Friday. So if we take this point out, which it probably will happen by the looks of it, guys. We're getting rejected, triple top, moving back under the moving averages on this 5-day, 15-minute chart. If we take out 111 on the downside, let me actually set an alert there right now. Mark is that we're below 111. This stock could easily be coming down to 106 again, which you guys know that was the low from Thursday. We barely hit it. I mean, we momentarily hit it like that. Very, very quick move down to 106, but that could be where we go next, potentially, based on this chart right here, right? And on the 20-day time frame, you guys can see the clear downtrend. We're under the moving averages, death cross, yada, yada, yada. You guys see that. And on the 4-hour time frame, if I zoom in a little bit, same thing. Under the moving averages, death cross, right? And we're pretty much holding above 111 by a thread right now. And you guys know $95 to $97 per share. That was actually resistance all throughout the beginning of March into, let's see here, the middle of May. That's the next big gap to fill to the downside here, right? So if Nvidia really starts falling under 111, we go to 105, 106 next. And then if that point gives, guess what? We're probably going straight down to 95 to $100 per share, which honestly, guys, if we get there, I don't see this thing going much lower than that. I feel like that will hold as support and buyers will come in. We'll get a nice bounce. So to be honest, if Nvidia starts going under 105, Guess who's going to be buying it? I'm going to be buying it as a swing trade, no doubt about it. And the company's earnings are coming up in a month from now, which this could be opening up a crazy opportunity heading into earnings, because I have a feeling this stock is going to get some hype around earnings, and dare I say, it might rally into earnings. So this dip that we're seeing, guys, especially if big tech does well, and by the way, big tech, we have Apple, Amazon, Microsoft and Meta this week. Those are the biggest consumers or customers of Nvidia, right? If they do well, we get more insight on their AI strategies, how they're going to utilize Nvidia, yada, yada, yada. This is going to be good for Nvidia. And who knows, man, this could be setting us up for a nice rally over the next couple of weeks. There's still a lot of uncertainties. A lot of things are up in the air, but I feel like if we get super oversold, big tech does very well, we might get that rebound heading into Nvidia's earnings, which are on, I think, the 28th of August, if I'm not mistaken, and we'll see how those play out. But yeah, guys, that's a quick breakdown here on my thoughts when it comes to Nvidia stock. And before we break down the overall stock market, don't forget to get your free stocks for Moomoo, up to 20 stocks, each up to $2,000 with at least a $100 deposit. Just use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this offer is exclusive to this channel. So again, use that link down below or just go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. You guys can see the promo right here. So get on that, guys. Again, stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And let's continue on here with the indexes, which, well, they were all over the place. The Russell went down 1.1% on the day, as you guys can see, which we're clearly getting rejected right now at about 2250, 2275. So maybe we get another down move here before we start rebounding, considering how much the Russell has gone up as of late. I mean, this thing has gone bananas from 2,000 points pretty much, in a straight line to 2,300. So I would not be surprised if the Russell cooled off a bit, maybe down to 21, 2150, and then we might continue the rally from there. The S&P 500 and Triple Q here, looking at SPY and Triple Q, we can see here, let me pull it up. Triple Q is looking pretty interesting right now. We're actually getting rejected under this moving average on the 20-day chart. We're obviously not breaking out of the highs yet from Thursday or Friday, being about 467, which those highs need to break for the bulls. And on SPY here, if I pull this up, we're struggling to get out of around 547, which that needs to break. And by the way, guys, we actually dumped a good amount in the second half of the day. We actually sold off into close across the board here on the S&P and the NASDAQ, which is not the best sign. But then again, guys, it's only Monday. We have a couple more days, obviously, of trading this week. It's just the start of the week, so we shall see. We have a lot of companies reporting, which we're obviously going to break down here on the channel. So, guys, make sure to subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to run the likes up on this video. And of course, don't forget to also sign up to my email list if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday morning for free right to your inbox. All you have to do is leave your email and your first name, boom, just like that, and you'll get my top 3 stocks every single Monday. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I appreciate you all for tuning in as always, and I'll catch you in the next video.